Trust the process. Trust the process. So yesterday I started working on my letters. I am doing a back to school event at the end of the month, and I thought it would be a really cool idea for the kids to be able to make their own letter crayon set. So what you see here is the molds. Oh, look at the A. And we kind of just did our own little design or pattern, put the crayons in the mold how we think they would have came out. Not all of them came out exactly how we thought, but we still have our letters. So hopefully I can post some information about the event that I'm doing before it, but it's on the 27th, I think, 25th or the 27th of this month. And anything that I'm making along the process, though, I also have available on my website. I just got to figure out how to put this on there so you can actually purchase each letter. See? But they came out really well. So let's take the rest of them out. And this right here is about, to make one alphabet set is, this is about 6 boxes of crayons, I want to say. When I started doing this, I thought I was going to be able to offer my letters a little bit cheaper, but me and my daughter were making these, and it's a process, which is why most people usually make these from broken crayons, but we did not have any broken crayons. So, and this was a little tougher to get out. Come on, G. Yeah, but we didn't have any broken crayons. We didn't have any broken crayons, so we just had to buy crayons. So that's what we did. And then we had to take the wrappers off the crayons, and we had to put the crayons in the mold. It was a fun process, but initially I wanted everyone to be able to, ooh, look tough coming out there. I wanted everybody to none of my letters broke. Thank you. Yeah, I wanted everybody to be able to purchase these at my table, at the fair, or at the carnival. But that's not going to be possible. So you will have to order them. Jay, we definitely going for marble look when we did these crayons. Okay, Jay, I'm stand up. I had to figure out what that letter was when I was making it, but yeah, I wanted everybody to be able to make their name at the fair, but because my business is a one-man machine right now, I would have to make 2,000 something letters to be able to have everybody make their name, because most people's names have 2 letters in them, which automatically means I have to do this mold twice to get your name. So considering that, and then maybe y'all can help me out with a reasonable pricing. Ooh, look at brown. Oh, that's not the B. Hold up. Oh, it was brown and white, the original mold, but I think some of the other colors bled into it a little bit. So my M is really unique. Yeah, but I thought I was gonna be able to do these a little bit more affordable, because the way my prices are designed is I ideally want kids to be able to shop. Like, there's no store that I know where a child can get like $5 or $10 and you just go in there and buy stuff that they like, you know. When I think about how I want my business to be, I want it to be kid friendly. Because yeah, the parents give you money, da 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 da. But as a kid, I remember going to candy stores, like neighborhood setups, and in South Carolina, me and my cousins used to ride our little bikes to the candy store. And then when I moved to Virginia, we had a candy lady. And so we used to take our money and go buy stuff from the candy lady. And that's kind of what I want my business to be modeled after. Very child friendly. Just like with my treats and stuff, I got requests from adults to make my cold cups adult versions. And I did a couple, but it's just so much that's catered to an adult. It's like, I feel like the years that need to be focused on, the things that make you an amazing adult happen to you as a child. And so those things shape your character as an adult. Everything's catered toward being an adult now. It's almost like we rush kids to become adults. But, man, my childhood memories, I wouldn't trade for anything. Tea came out like, I do not like how my tea came out. It's all dark and gloomy, but whatever, you know. Black is a necessary color too. Yeah, so that's why most of my products are like geared towards kids, things that they like. Oh my God, you had to break. Oh, goodness. I'm gonna have to remelt you, y'all, because you just dysfunctional. It's the only one that broke. Should have been a little bit more gentle, but so we're at the end of our letters. V, thank you for hanging in there with me. And make sure you follow me. I'm on Facebook. I'm on Instagram. Both my business and I have personal pages. I'm doing, two things simultaneously. I'm trying to build my business, but I'm also building my YouTube channel. Because I just like it, you know. I like my little adventures. I like the side of me that nobody gets to see that I get to show. Yeah, so subscribe. I'm Royalty Random on Instagram and on YouTube. And my business page is Tamika's Partisan Events on Facebook and on Instagram. It's tea parties and events. But if you type in Tamika's Partisan Events, that'll come up too. This is why I love you. I'm almost done, y'all. And this is the last one. Z. So I'm gonna let y'all see all of the letters again. And why they came out like that? Oh, because I checked it. When I checked it to see if they were done, I scraped the bottom. So custom molds, but here are all of my letters. U was the only one that did not come out right. And it's because of this part right here is a little thinner. So as I'm taking it out, I gotta be careful. But if you would like to order a namesake set for your child, I'm definitely making more of these. I have a couple of them available when I do my event on the 25th. Or you can contact me directly 4 in order. These are the size of the letters. I do not, like I said, I gotta do double because my name like has 2. That's a V. My name has 2 a double letter in it. So in order to get Tamika, I would have to do 2 A's. So I gotta do another set to even make my name, which is like that with most people name, unless your name is, let me see. Let's do a couple 1-letter names. The first ones that come to my head. Amy. Where's the Y? Amy. There you go, girl. There go your name. Come get your name, Amy. I don't know how much I gotta figure out my price point for these because I wanted to do $1, but the effort that went into our souls to make these letters requires a little bit more than that. So, Amy, your namesake might be $10. I'm just gonna tell you. But if you want it, it's custom. You be the only person in class with your own name, Amy. Come and get your name, Amy. So there's Amy. Let me see. How about, I need another name, y'all. I know a lot of these ones. Kim. You know, because that's what came to my head. And look, Kim, all of your names, your letters, they coordinate. So, Kim, this is you. I know a whole lot of Kims, but it's mostly Kimberly. One of them was my best friend. Yeah, so Kim. All right, let me just venture out of the box and do a 4-letter name. You know, I don't know why this one came to my head, but the O is not gonna stand up. I really should not use you because you want to be so difficult, but I'm gonna lay you down and let you live your best life for a second. So that's not broken you. You know, you just hurt my feelings. You hurt my feelings. Okay, so let's do John. You know, I gotta get better at catering to the men. Says a lot about my life though. So there's John. All right, John. John, these are some G. Look, J. Look at that. Look at that J. I love that. You got a solid letter, and then you go back to your marble tie-dye print. So I did think about the men a little bit because all of these letters is not feminine. I would have went pink and purple crazy. But there's John. I know one person named John. I might know more than that. If your name is John, hey John, how you doing today? All right, y'all, well, let me get off of here. If you would like to order these, please inbox me or contact me directly through my business page. All of my page information and links and how to get directly to me. And you can also check out my website, Miss T Parties at shopify.com. That'll make more sense when you actually go to the link and you click it. But thank you for tuning in, John. You have an amazing day. Oh, look, John want to stand up. John is living his life today.